Okay folks, just a quick part 2 to this timing belt series. I thought it might be worthwhile just having a look at the old parts and seeing if we can figure out who makes them. Can't for the life of me lay my hands on the timing belt, but I'm positive that that was marked as both Gates and Renault, so I'm pretty sure everything's original to the car. So we'll just go ahead and have a quick look at the water pump. Just be mindful that there seems to be two different types out there. This additional connection, it's either not there on cars that are either older or newer than mine. Mine's a 2008, so just be careful you get the appropriate pump with or without that. That pipe, when it's connected, runs towards the wing and then past the timing belt cover towards the firewall. So if that hose is there, you need that. Also be aware that not all new pumps come with the plastic elbow here. This one didn't. Sorry, no, it would go that way. This one didn't, so I had to transfer the old elbow onto the new pump, but it did come with a new seal and new bolts. The water pump is still in very good condition. The bearing is still tight. It's not leaking. Minor miracle that the gasket actually came off in one piece. It's a steel gasket with like a rubber coating on it, and I'll show you in here. Renault and what I'm pretty sure is the Pierberg logo. There's the Renault diamond, so that should give you a good clue as to who makes that if you're interested. Okay. Moving on to the tensioner. If you have a look there, we've got a part number. If you search that, it comes out to a Clio bearing. It's not available in a Clio box anywhere I can find, but I believe both the Gates kits and the NTN SNR kits come with that. There's a Clio. Yep. Japan. This is actually getting a little bit loose. If I had a second hand available to spin it, it's a little bit noisy, but it's actually been on the car a lot longer than was intended. I believe the interval is it's 5 years or it's 72,000 miles. This is all original to the car as best I can tell, and at the time I actually did the belt change, the car was about 13 years old, with 65,000 miles on it. So you figure it's not just a case of the mileage. That's it's not a car that's done 10,000 miles a year. It's done much lower than that, but of course it's the short journeys that are hard on a car. So for this to still all be serviceable after 13 years is not bad at all. So there you go. Having a good look at what's available on eBay. The genuine parts suppliers haven't changed for any of this, so only other thing to be mindful of is I think you're supposed to replace the bolt holding the crankshaft pulley on, and a lot of aftermarket kits don't actually come with that. Two that do include it are INA and SKF. Okay, hope this has been useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.